Deadline na bukas, pero wala ka pa ring reports? May solusyon dyan. Classic na kwento to for accountants of small businesses. Tax filing week, as in bukas na yung deadline, pero ang dami pang kulang. Receipts are scattered, entries hindi updated, reconciliation pending pa din. So ano nangyayari? Sa sobrang pressure, napipilitan silang gumawa ng shortcuts. Yung tipong, sige na nga, round off ko na lang. O kaya, copy-paste ko muna yung numbers, bahala na bukas. Para matapos lang. Tandaan, basta sa accounting, kapag minadali, mas mataas ang risk na may mali. Automation could change this situation. Real-time updates, automatic reconciliations, ready-made reports. So kahit dumating yung deadline, chill lang. No more panic mode, no more last-minute crunch, at hindi mo kailangan mag-shortcut. Stress and deadlines can push good accountants to bad decisions. Pero with automation, you get your time back, you get accuracy, and you keep your integrity intact. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.